CADAC do a range of different lengths of hoses to connect to your barbecue point. Starting off, we do a 1.5 meter hose, then the 3 meter hose and the 5 meter hose. These are all available in quick release. If you have bought the hose and you've not got the quick release attachments at either end, we do a quick release attachment here. Jubilee clip, you push that into the hose, put a Jubilee clip on the end of it, and then you can connect this to your barbecue. And the same at the other end, you can purchase the adapter to put into the hose, again to connect to your barbecue point. We also do it's not quite quick release. Some of these come with the barbecues themselves, and you thread this adapter. Just remember, it is the opposite thread. This pushes onto the hose. You use a Jubilee clip, so you can attach and disconnect that from the CADAC barbecue. However, for me, again, quick release is always the better connection. It's so fast, it's so quick. With my CADAC on site, I have a nice little Y connector as well, so if I want to run 2 CADACs or pizza oven and a CADAC, I can do that as well. If you are looking at taking your CADAC down to the beach, or you're looking at going on a picnic, we've got a couple of attachments here, power packs. This one is called the triple pack, and again it comes with the quick release hose to connect this to your CADAC, making it really portable. I've done a separate how to make your CADAC portable video separately. Please have a look at that, it'll be in the link below. Okay, let's bin the Jubilee clips. We have got here CADAC's accessory range of hose extensions. We've got a 3 meter and we've got a 5 meter. And I just want to show you briefly how these connect and can extend the hose length to your barbecue. Whether you're plugging into a barbecue point on your caravan, or you're using one of the portable accessories like the triple power pack or the dual power pack, or even the single regulator. So little zoom in on the quick release connector. It is as simple as that, and then to release, you are going to pull that back and disconnect it. So 2 lengths of hose available here. You've got the 3 meter quick release and the 5 meter quick release available on our website, aandleisure.co.uk.